out again. It's a redskin.
It is your girl Alicia Jones back again with a new video, and in today's video we're going to be trying Sensational's glueless bare lace, and this is their 13x6 unit in the style BL136002. And you guys, the lace was lacing on this wig. You guys, the density of this wig was amazing. It is glueless. You don't have to glue it down if you're not an experienced wig wearer like me, but I highly recommend this wig. It is so beginner friendly. I went ahead and cut off the edges because I'm not a huge fan of edges, but this wig is for you if you are a beginner. All you gotta do is cut the lace, style it the way you want to style it, and you are good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep on watching for more details on this wonderful wig. Okay, y'all, so this is what she looks like. This is Sensational's bare lace, and it's lace so thin it looks like skin. And this is a 13x6 unit. I got it in the color number 2. And yeah, y'all, I saw this on Amazon because I was looking for a wig, and this is everything. This is what it looks like. Y'all, my camera's about to die, so I'll be right back. But off the bat, fresh out the box, baby, we look good. Okay, y'all, and we're back. So fresh up out the box, I feel like I'm not gonna have to do that much besides, like, can you see? Okay, so you can see the lace, but you see the lace up against my skin. Like, if it wasn't for this part right here, would you be able to see the lace? Would you? Like, for real? Oh my god. So I'm gonna cut the lace and I'm gonna come back because I gotta focus. I don't want to cut too much. I try to do the whole cutting the thing on camera like the wig gurus do it, and I cannot. So I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so lace is cut. Okay, so it got that band in there. I think this is my first time having a wig with that band in there, but lace is cut. Does it have combs in the front? I did not even pay attention. It does, but I feel like if you don't want to, you ain't gotta use them. So we're not gonna use them. But baby, I like it. I love it so far. Super cute. My hair is already braided down. Okay, y'all, so this can definitely be glueless. I cut the edges right there. Like, I'm not big on edges when it comes to wigs. That whole, I hope they got left in 2024, if you feel what I'm saying. But I really like this unit. It's super cute. It's super lightweight. The curls are very bouncy. This is so cute. So I went ahead and I cut off all the lace because I could still see some. And I'm a wig beginner still when it comes to gluing it down and attaching it and doing all that extra stuff. That those wonderful, like, they be making it look so easy. I'm telling you. And when I try to do it, it's a hot ass mess. But so this is what it looks like. So cute. Not too long, not too much. And then this is the back. Sorry y'all about my filming setup. I'm trying to do some little upgrades and stuff downstairs in my old filming setup, but I'm in my room. But this is so cute, you guys. So the lace is super duper thin when you cut it all the way off. Like, you can see that it looks good. If you leave a little bit of it, you got to be ready to try to blend it or glue it down or something like that. And the hairline, chef's kiss. It looks so good. To me, this could be glueless. This could definitely be glueless. Now, they have that transparent lace. Let's say transparent. Now, I've seen transparent laces, and to me, they are a lot lighter than this. But if you hold it up against my skin, see? And I mean, it's cool, but I feel like this is not really as transparent. So yeah, you guys, I will leave the link to how you can check this wig out if you're interested down below. I purchased this off of Amazon and I love it. I think it's so cute, guys. I didn't get no color, but let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. The packaging, oh my gosh, the packaging is top tier. Like when I took it out of the Amazon packaging, I was like, oh my gosh, like wow. Oh, they go back to school tomorrow. Sorry y'all, we've been snowed in since Sunday, so oh, this is, y'all, like so cute. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.